Bro, let me spill this one. You know that guy who's always posting vague big things coming stuff on X? Talking like he's killing it career-wise? I know a dude exactly like that. Let's call him Connor. Regular 27-year-old. Stuck in a retail job he hates.
What actually do you do?
I'm into tech sales, transitioning into my own thing.
But tells girls and friends he's in tech or building a startup. At first, it's just little white lies to sound better. But man, you won't believe how those lies started eating him alive. Imagine faking your whole career just to feel worthy. That shame builds quiet but brutal. If you've ever exaggerated your job or money to impress someone, this story's gonna hit hard. Connor's wake-up changed everything. Stick around. Connor's working retail, decent pay but dead end, long hours on feet, no real growth. He's good at it, but hates telling people, I work at the mall. Bro, you know that feeling when someone asks, what do you do? And you mumble? Connor did every time. Meets a girl on Hinge. Great connection. First date, she asks about work. He panics, says, I'm in tech sales, transitioning to my own thing. Half true, mostly BS. She's impressed, conversation flows. He texts me after, bro, it just came out. Imagine starting something good on a lie. That's where it began. Friends, 2 bar nights, someone asks career plans. Connor drops building an app or freelance consulting on the side. Vague enough to sound legit. You ever stretched the truth to avoid looking stuck? We've all done versions of it. Social media amps it, posts cryptic grinding pics, no details. Likes roll in, feels good short term. But inside he's stressing, knows it's fake, avoids follow-up questions, dodges work stories. The lies start small, but they're piling up fast. Things escalate. Dating the girl longer. She wants details. What's the startup? Connor makes up app ideas, fake clients. Bro, imagine bullshitting your way through dinner about a job that doesn't exist. That anxiety is wild. Friends buy it too, someone offers tech connections. He panics, changes subject. Group chats blowing up about careers. Connor stays quiet or drops more vague flexes. You know that not when you're scared the truth slips? Connor lived it daily. One night a buddy in Real Tech asks specifics. He stumbles, excuses himself early. Starts avoiding hangouts with successful friends. Ever pulled back from people because your story doesn't match theirs? That was Connor. Dating girl plans double date with her tech friends. He cancels last minute. Says,
Bro,
sick.
I'm not
Lies
fine.
mounting, confidence tanking. He's depressed at home scrolling real success stories. Feeling like fraud central. Can't even update resume. Reminds him it's all fake. The shame turned inward hard. I'm a liar. No one would respect the real me.
I am a liar. No one will respect the real me.
Ever let one lie poison how you see yourself? That's where Connor sank. Then cracks show big. Girl invites him to company party, tech crowd. He makes excuse. She pushes. You never talk details about
Hey, it's
work.
me.
Bro, imagine the one person you like most starting to doubt you. That panic is next level. He dodges again, she pulls back. Relationship cooling fast. Friends too. One asks for startup advice. Connor freezes, mutters something weak. Group chat goes quiet on him. You ever felt the vibe shift when people sense BS? Connor did hard. Finally blows up. Date night.
Hey,
She
it's
asks
me.
straight,
I'm done.
what do you
and don't
actually
call my
do?
number again.
He crumbles, admits retail truth. Tears, all of it. I lied because I was ashamed. She's hurt by lies more than job. They break up. Texts me after.
Hey,
Man,
it's me.
I lost her over fake career
Done,
shit.
and don't call my
I'm done
number
lying.
again.
Imagine hitting bottom, realizing your own lies
I
cost
am a
something
liar.
real. That's Connor's breaking point. Friends find out eventually. Some
I'm
laugh it
done
off,
lying.
some distance. He's isolated, hating himself. Ever had lies catch up and burn everything? Rock bottom,
Oh my-
but also the start. That breakup lit the fire. Connor looks in mirror, hates the fake version he built. Decides, no more lies, starting now. Yay! Bro, imagine choosing raw truth over easy front. That's when everything shifts. First move. Tells close friends the real deal. I've been bullshitting about work. Here's the truth. Most respect the honesty. Some even share their own struggles. You know that relief when you drop the mask? Connor felt it big. Updates socials, nothing flashy, just real posts about retail life, learning skills. No more vague flexing. Starts being honest on dates. I work retail, saving to switch careers.
What do you do?
I work at the mall, hoping to save up and start a small business.
Some girls dip, but real ones stay, connections deeper. Ever felt freer being real than faking perfect? That's Connor now. Mindset work, journals why he lied, shame from family expectations, social media BS. Reads books on authenticity, masculinity beyond job title. The wake-up was owning. Job doesn't define worth. He's good dude regardless. Truth out in the open. Connor didn't waste time feeling sorry. He got straight to work. Bro. First thing, signed up for free coding courses on YouTube and Coursera. Grinding 2 hours every night after retail shifts. Imagine turning those fake tech guy lies into actual skills. That fire was real. 3 months in, he builds a small portfolio, simple apps, fixes for friends. Starts applying freelance gigs honestly. Learning code, strong sales background. Lands his first paid job, $400 for a basic site. You know that rush when real money hits from real work? Connor was hooked for the right reasons now. Keeps the momentum. Updates LinkedIn with truth. Retail experience highlighted as customer skills. New certs front and center. Networks at free meetups, no more hiding. Side income grows steady, $600, then $1,000 per month. Banks half, uses half for life stuff without shame. Dating flips too. He leads with honesty. Working retail, transitioning to tech. Some girls bounce, but the real ones stay. Deeper talks, better connections. New girl he's seeing loves the grind story. Ever felt freer being straight up than faking it? That's Connor daily now. Friends circle tightens, real talks about careers, no flexing contests. He hosts game nights, drives without excuses, posts actual progress. Money habits level up, budgets for courses and tools, cuts pointless spending. Savings hitting $4,000, investments started small. Biggest change? He respects himself. Job's a stepping stone, not a sentence. Shame gone, confidence earned. The rebuild wasn't overnight. Courses, applications, rejections, but every honest step stacked into something solid. If lies ever trapped you, know this, owning truth and building real beats, faking perfect every time. Connor's living proof. Now Connor's 29, landed a real tech role, freelance cash steady. Dating someone who knows the full truth from jump. No more masks, just solid, real life. Bro, imagine waking up proud of who you are, not what you pretended. That's Connor every day. He's open about the past, mentors guys stuck in comparison. Confidence earned the hard way. Lesson, your worth isn't your job title or flex. Own your reality, build real skills, truth wins every time. If this hit, drop a fire below. Tell me if you've ever stretched the truth. I read everything. Want more raw stories like this? No fluff, real fixes? Smash subscribe and hit the bell. New ones weekly. You got this, man.